Microsoft Visio. It is using for diagramming and vector graphic arts application. Google search box lo enter Office Deployment Tool. Enter key press. Download Office Deployment Tool from official Microsoft.com. First link click. Microsoft Download Center official redirectory web page complete display. Middle section lo Office Deployment Tool related blue color button. Download click. Download section lo exe setup file downloading process completed. Next top section lo new tab click. Google search box lo Office customization tool enter. Enter key press. Office customization tool icon Microsoft 365 apps admin center. First link click. Office deployment tool related official web page complete display. Deployment settings left side first option. Related option architecture operating system 32-bit users left side first option circle tick marks set. Second one 64-bit related operating system users default detect and display. Second option left side circle tick mark. Mouse scroll down. Visio related box right side down arrow click. First one Visio LTS Professional 2024 Value License. First option select. Mouse scroll down. Select the version latest box display. Next option apps section lo turn apps on or off to include or exclude them from being deployed. OneDrive desktop unnecessary. Present on left side edge mouse left click. Off display blue color button. Next click. Languages section lo select primary language. Related box right side down arrow click. Select your convenient language. Default English United States select. Scroll down. Next button click. Scroll down. Next button click. Scroll down. Next button click. Mouse scroll down. Blue color button. Next click. Mouse scroll down. Next click. Show only Office related suite internal tools display. Mouse scroll down. Bottom side blue color button. Finish click. Right side top section lo second button export click. Export configuration to XML window lo middle section lo I accept the terms in the license agreement. Left side box mouse left click. Download file name configuration display. First button export click. Keep button click. Download section lo configuration.xml file downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop File Explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo two set of files display. Second one Office deployment tool. Set of files select. Mouse right click. Run as administrator option select. Microsoft Office window lo first button yes click. The Microsoft Office 2016 Run Administrator tool window lo bottom side. Click here to accept the Microsoft software license terms. Box left side tick mark set. Right side continue button click. Browse for folder window lo downloads select. OK button click. Files extracted successfully display. OK button click. Mouse right click. New option select. Sub panel lo first one folder click. Keyboard delete key press. Enter the file name Visio 2024. Enter key press. All set of files select. Mouse right click. Cut option select. Newly created folder select open. Mouse right click. Paste. Top section lo back arrow newly created folder select. Mouse right click. First option cut click. Left side this PC select. First one new volume C select. Open. Mouse right click. Paste. Icon click. Folder minimize. Desktop Windows search box lo enter CMD. First option command prompt. Related option second one run as administrator select. Command processor window first button. Yes, click. In this video description section లో two text commands paste as it same copy paste in command line step by step. Keyboard shortcut key Control V. Enter key press. Enter the second text command. Keyboard shortcut key Control V. Enter key press. Microsoft, we are getting things to ready. Command prompt shell window close. Wait and here few seconds. Minimum 2 minutes taken after display Microsoft window. Please stay online while Microsoft 365 and Office download. Selected tool Visio desktop taskbar right side show hidden icons arrow click. First icon Microsoft 365 and Office are installing in the background. First icon click. 0 to 100% display present to 2% completed. Wait and here 100% process completing. You are all set. Close button click. Desktop Windows search box lo enter Visio. First option Visio select Visio Professional interface window maximize. More templates option click. Number of templates work related. First one basic diagram template select. Left side number of diagrams. Anyone insert in workspace select. Drag and drop.